Retro here. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing watermelon Gfuel. I had that upside down. Watermelon Gfuel. So, yeah, I also have blue ice and tropical rain and a sample of strawberry kiwi that ZenKa gave to me. Actually, I gave him a sample of blue ice so we could try it out. But so I'll just basically be giving you a review on how to make the Gfuel and how it tastes. And if you guys want me to review strawberry kiwi, blue ice, or tropical rain, or mix anything, just drop down in the comments below. Tell me what you think. Let's get started. Okay, so first you're just going to want to get out a shaker cup. Actually, when I ordered my Gfuel, it said it came with a free shaker cup, but obviously it didn't not. So luckily I have a million shaker cups in my house. So what you're going to do is fill it, or take the cup out, and you're going to fill it up to the tops. Is you could either fill it up to 12 to 16 ounces. I fill it up to 12 and put one ice cube in because I'm only 11. I don't need that much caffeine. So I'll see you guys when I get this filled up to 12. Okay, so I filled it up to 12 ounces and I put one ice cube and the circle blender because mine didn't come with the shaker cup, just like I told you before. Alright, so now we could get open. We're gonna get this open. So I recommend to where it says tear here. So you're gonna move all the Gfuel down here so you have space to open it so it doesn't fall everywhere. Just gonna open it like that, and then just gonna get that like that, and then gonna open that. Okay, now that I emptied all of the Gfuel and put it in here, that's what it should look like. And I'm gonna get the cap and put that on. And now that you have the cap on really tight and this down really tight, you're just gonna shake it for 2 straight minutes. Alright, it's been 2 minutes, and let's get to the taste test of watermelon. Just get this open. Let's taste it. Now, right before I taste it, it's it's a light and dark pink. It's like a little mix of light and dark. Now let's see how it tastes. That's so good. And you know what this tastes like? It would taste like if you were gonna have like a watermelon lollipop or some kind of watermelon candy, and it's not that sweet too. It's on the sweet side, but not too sweet. So it's kind of like just balanced. And I've had this before, that's why I wasn't like going crazy when I tasted it. But like it's still really, really good. And here's tropical rain and blue ice. Comment down below and tell me if I should make blue ice or tropical rain or the sample of strawberry kiwi that ZenKa gave to me. And if you like, then obviously like the video. If you didn't like it, like the video. And comment what you think. Just like I said earlier, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.